Electrolytes are around us. They are in this sports drink. They are in this battery. They are in this avocado. Electrolytes are particles that conduct an electrical charge. There are 7 types of electrolytes: sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, magnesium, phosphate, and bicarbonate. Here are some of their functions. Sodium helps regulate the fluid levels of the body, and potassium controls the heartbeat and maintains the nervous system. In fact, without electrolytes, there will be no life. Let's talk about how electrolytes are formed. There are acids, bases, and ionic compounds. Strong acids and bases, as well as ionic compounds, dissociate completely when in water, forming electrolytes. However, weak acids and bases don't dissociate completely, making them poor electrolytes. You can get electrolytes by drinking sports drinks or eating various fruits and vegetables. Once in the body, the electrolytes perform their magic. Electrolytes play an important role in the neuromuscular system, control the heartbeat, regulate fluid levels, and maintain the pH levels. Specifically, let's talk about its role in the neuromuscular system. Our body is controlled by the brain, and its messages are conducted by the neurons. However, in order to transmit the impulses, an action potential must occur, where sodium and potassium are needed. This is where electrolytes come along. In this process, positive sodium ions enter the cell membrane of the neuron via voltage-gated channels. In order to bring the neuron back to its resting stage, the sodium channels close and the potassium channels open, allowing potassium ions to exit the neuron. After, the impulses can either reach another neuron or a muscle. In order for our muscles to contract, calcium triggers the muscle fibers to slide together, and magnesium allows for the contraction and relaxation of the fibers. When there is an imbalance in electrolytes, there can be many health consequences. An imbalance can occur from dehydration, an injury such as a burn, or diet. For example, in hyponatremia, there's a below average amount of sodium in the body, and this can result in fatigue or confusion. Or in hyperkalemia, which is when there's an elevated potassium level, the skeletal and cardiac muscles and the nervous system can be impaired. Not to worry. There are processes in the body that can help maintain the balance of electrolytes. For instance, aldosterone aids in excretion of potassium and the absorption of sodium. The parathyroid hormone releases calcium into the bloodstream and absorbs calcium via the intestines. The kidneys regulate chloride and bicarbonate, an electrolyte that impacts the pH levels of the body. Next time you encounter electrolytes, keep in mind the importance they have for your body.